guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic Trails. This is Sandhya. Today in this video I am going to show you how to do watercolor painting of Ganesha. This is the second part video. First part of the video I have uploaded in my channel. Please do check it out. Link will be given in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And if you like the video, please like and share and subscribe. Let's get started. Here I have completed half of the Ganesha painting. In the previous video I have shown you how to do that. Here I am just continuing the second part. I am giving little detailed outline to the painting Ganesha figure. Outline is done by using burnt sienna plus black color and little bit of water. I am not using very less water here because we want very darker shade. We want brownish black here, and I am using flat brush, not flat brush, sorry, round brush 000. If you don't have 000, you can go for zero round brush. After completing the head part outline, I am moving on to the down part. Here I am just giving few lines and few detailing by using same burnt sienna and black color. This is monochromatic painting. We are using only yellow and brown color shades with the help of black and white. Only one shade color we are going to use. In that we have to show light tone, dark tone and middle tone. And highlights we just going to leave it white in some places, or else you can use white color. In watercolor we always leave transparent paper white as it is. We don't use white color in watercolor. Okay, now moving on to the next part. After giving some details to the Ganesha by using black color outline, next we are going to give some darker tone on the background side. Under the hands and all, I am going to apply more of burnt sienna and black, and I am giving some detailing with the same color. Just mix yellow with white and just give highlights to the hand of Ganesha. After that we have just going to give the some shading yellow plus white onto the bell and the body part. Wherever the light tone is there, you have to use gamboge yellow plus white color, titanium white. Now let me finish the bell part. For darker tone, same whatever I have told you earlier, that is burnt sienna and black. And for the bell design, I'm just using burnt sienna and giving little designs there with the help of white color. Now moving on to the leg part. Same, only these three colors we are going to use here. Wherever the dark tone comes, you have to use burnt sienna plus black. Wherever the light tone comes in, you have to directly use gamboge yellow and white. Wherever the middle tone comes, you just mix, no need to mix any color, only yellow color will be used. Okay, after finishing this, next coming to the next down bell part, giving the detail with the black color with the help of only round brush, not flat brush. After completing the bell part, now I am giving the same detailing to the cloth part of Ganesha with the same brown color. If you like my today's tutorial, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Now moving on to the background part, just take the brown color burnt sienna and mix with little bit of more water and just give a lighter shade. After that you just take a yellow and use more of water and just start to apply. Here you can use flat brush if you're comfortable with the flat brush, or else you can go for round brush with number 4. Both are fine. Now take burnt sienna and just give a darker shade in between. See some few lines you have to show. It creates a texture when it is wet. So make sure you have to use the brown color when it is wet. If you use that color, it looks very pretty and it gives good texture into the background. Now moving on to the next part, it's a cloth part of Ganesha. Here I am using pink color. I will give little contrast color to show the contrast. I am using crimson red color with white. It creates a pink color and just giving few lines by using the pink color with the help of round brush only, and to the background the same color I'm applying on the top. If you want, you can use any other color like green also, but the main thing you have to show is the contrast, sorry. Now in the same pink color I am just giving few effects with brown color and black color. And now take the back side of the brush. When it is wet only you have to draw the lines there. It creates a beautiful texture here. After completing to the background part of Ganesha and give some detailings to the background. After finishing that, we are going to move the down part of Ganesha, which is the water. Here what I am doing is I am using turquoise blue plus white color and just applying it. If you want, you can go for sky blue, cobalt blue, and just apply with the help of round brush and giving little bit of lines, water effect by using black color. It's a shadow of Ganesha. I am just using black color with white. It creates a gray color. Just do the color application of black when the background part means it's a wet. You have to use that. Don't do when it is dry. You don't get this type of texture. You have to do when it is wet only. Just give few lines to the blue part there. Now take little more of white with the blue color, turquoise blue, or you can go for cobalt blue, whichever you have taken. Just give few lines. It looks like water leg has gone under the water. Now give few more white lines all over the water. After finishing the leg part, just give few more detailing with the help of black color and brown with 000 brush. Give the detailing to the background as well as Ganesha hands, cloth part, and background pillar part everywhere. Just and the bell part, just use more of black color. Now just give few detailing by using same black color and just give some details by using yellow color. Wherever you have missed, you just finish the outline part. After completing the outline, come to the down part, that is a water part. There we are going to do a lotus flower. Lotus flower color will be crimson red and white, which we have done earlier. That same pink color we are going to fill for the lotus flower. After giving few details there and just come to the face part. Now give outline for eyebrows and eyes with help of black color and take 000 round brush, and just give few lines and detailing in the face part of Ganesha. After that, complete the tilak. You use crimson red, then brown color for thread here on the body. After finishing that, complete the painting wherever the details required. Just finish it up and sign the painting. That's it for today's video. If you like my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. If you have any doubts, you can leave the comment in the comment section below. I would like to answer the questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.